Hello, I want to show you a few things about updating your defaults in PlayPosit. So as soon as you move your mouse over to this menu bar on this side, it will open up. You don't have to click anything, you just move into this area. I'm going to show you what happens when you click your name at the top. Okay, it'll give you information about bulbs, about your storage. If you have Google Classroom, if your district supports that, you can easily sync with Google Classroom, but we use Schoology, so that's why mine is not done. You can update your profile picture, your name, phone, role, all those things. Here you can change your default privacy. I have mine set to visible of members of my school or site. You can easily change it in your district or institution. It's up to you. Here are my bulb defaults. I allow learners to rewind during questions. I don't allow them to skip. I don't allow them to fast forward, but I do allow them to retake, and I enable captions. So you can change these, and then what will happen is every single bulb you open will have these defaults already, but you can individualize it for a bulb if you wish. Multiple choice questions are defaulted at one point. You can change this at any point, depending when you create the bulb, you can change them. But here you can set the standard defaults, ways to change your organization information. Don't do this. Don't delete your account unless that's what you really mean to do. Again, this is accessed by clicking your name at the very top of this menu.